The new MultiJet Fusion 500-300 series 3D printers take voxel control to the next level by delivering functional parts in full color, black, or white in a fraction of the time. The compact integrated design makes it the ideal solution for universities or small to medium-sized product development teams and design firms. To begin the process, prepare your build for printing with HP's easy-to-use software. It lets you error check your 3D models and automatically pack them in the build chamber before sending the job to print. Prior to printing, the printer will notify you if it needs additional material or agents to complete the build. Load material by inserting the cartridge into its designated location. Once inserted, the material is automatically dispensed, mixed, and delivered to the print area. Pre-print and in-printer checks give you predictable, quality output. HP's MultiJet Fusion technology delivers high-dimensional accuracy and optimal mechanical properties faster. And thanks to HP's unique multi-agent printing process, you have voxel by voxel control over each part. While printing, material is spread evenly across the build platform. A print carriage containing an HP thermal inkjet array passes over the work area, printing fusing, detailing, and coloring agents on the material. During another pass of the carriage, the area is exposed to fusing energy, which bonds the part layers together. The build platform is then lowered layer by precise mechanisms for a high degree of dimensional accuracy. The process is then repeated until the complete part is printed. At any point during the printing process, you can monitor job status in the HP SmartStream 3D Command Center. When printing is complete, ambient air cooling ensures part integrity. Automated vibration and airflow then extracts unused material from within the build chamber. Unused material is reclaimed inside the printer for future builds. During this process, material is completely contained within the unit for a cleaner, more efficient operation. After cooling and material reclamation, your parts are ready for retrieval and post-processing in a bead and air blast cabinet. Then any final finishes can be applied. Accelerate your design cycles with immediate access to support and comprehensive training with affordable MultiJet Fusion 3D solution services. Start producing functional parts in full color, black, or white with voxel control in a fraction of the time. With MultiJet Fusion 500-300 series 3D printers, color outside the lines of convention and bring your ideas to life.